How to set up your Cloudflare account or Cloudflare account on the PC or on the mobile device you're using. For this, register an account with Cloudflare. If you have not already, visit the Cloudflare website and sign up for an account. It's free to create and get started. You have to add your domain to the Cloudflare. After logging in, click on Add a Site button. Enter your domain name example, Add Site. Cloudflare will scan with your DNS records and import them. Then you have to verify your domain. Cloudflare will provide you with two name servers. Log in to your domain registrar. This step is to ensure the traffic flows through the Cloudflare's network. Once your domain is verified, explore the DNS setting in your Cloudflare dashboard. You can add new DNS records, configure subdomains, and manage various settings related to your domain. Now you have to customize your account. Customizing these settings based on your website requirements boosts your performance. The seventh thing is security enhancement. Cloudflare protects against DDoS attacks, bots, and malicious traffic. You can explore the firewall rules section to know more about it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel for watching more videos like this.